Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the application unable to start error. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Windows search bar, type Registry Editor, and open it. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the Registry Editor, expand HKEY, Local Machine, then open Software, followed by Microsoft. Next, scroll down and expand Windows NT, then open Current Version. After that, expand Image File Execution Options. Scroll through the list until you find winword.exe. Then click on it. Right-click the winword.exe key and select Delete. When the confirmation message appears, click Yes to permanently remove the registry entry. Once you've done that, close the Registry Editor. After that, click the Start menu icon, then the Power icon, and then restart your PC. So that's basically how you can fix the application unable to start error. And that's it for this video. Thanks.